Every empire starts with a single brick. For YouTube creators, that brick is your channel. But not just any channel, a channel with a clear focus. Whether it's cooking, gaming, education, or lifestyle, your niche is your beacon, guiding every piece of content you create. But finding your niche is just the beginning. Consistency is key. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and the YouTube algorithm happy, increasing your visibility and subscriber count. With a growing channel, it's time to turn views into revenue. YouTube offers several paths to monetization, each with its own set of guidelines and benefits. Joining the YouTube Partner Program is your first step. This unlocks the door to ad revenue, channel memberships, and more. But remember, you'll need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months to qualify. Relying solely on ad revenue is like putting all your eggs in one basket. Savvy creators diversify. Sponsorship, affiliate marketing, and merchandise can significantly boost your income. Engage with brands that resonate with your niche and audience. And when it comes to merchandise, creativity and quality matter. Whether it's t-shirts, mugs, or digital products, ensure they reflect your brand's essence. The heart of your channel is your community. Engage with them through comments, live streams, and social media. Your audience's feedback is invaluable, helping you refine your content and grow your channel. Remember, YouTube is a social platform. The more you connect with your audience, the more they'll support you. Through views, shares, and even direct financial support via memberships or Patreon. Visibility is the currency of the digital age. To ensure your videos are seen, you must master YouTube SEO. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. And don't forget about the power of a compelling thumbnail. Analytics are your roadmap. They reveal what's working and what's not, allowing you to adapt and evolve your strategy. Keep an eye on watch time, audience retention, and engagement metrics. The journey to making money on YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires passion, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But for those who persevere, the rewards go beyond financial gain. It's about building a community, sharing your voice, and making an impact. So, what are you waiting for? Your YouTube journey starts now.